What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be making another video, another MTL lifestyle, another Marlin Media, back at it again with another one, and we're going to be meeting up with Grizzle Boss, conduct an interview and find out what Grizzle Boss is all about. I hope you guys keep it locked for that. These apples are Jamaican apples, red on the outside, white on the inside, but there's also a seed that you have to take out from on the inside, and then the rest of the apple is very edible. It can be used to make drink as well. It's a multi-purpose fruit, very juicy, soft in texture. Just look at the juice. It's hollow on the inside. You can hear the seed shake. I'm a big advocate for fruit. I am very keen on fruits, everything that is natural, good for the body. And as we're walking, we see fire coal that they're making just right behind me right here, guys. These are the sticks that are used. They put them underneath. This is what it turns into.
They use this barbecue cook.
This is what's being baked under the ground in the dirt. Look, you see there's little air pockets to make sure the sticks are being baked. There's still a lot of air being escaped, because if it's not at the right temperature, what would happen is it would collapse. It would other than Grizzle Boss. What is Grizzle Boss TV all about?
Make exercise semi-grizzly. That get tougher and tougher, you know.
Yeah.
So we can't live without food. So you know, so we have to go plant food and them something, you know.
So besides your channel, do you do anything else outside of your YouTube channel, or like what exactly do you conduct as a YouTube content creator?
You know, say good while now, you know, so we there make us see some people in have it too. They don't know some more time. We can't just stay one place at a time. So you know, say we do house, we do farming, we do on the street, we blog and then something, you know. But when I tell them we have one next project, we go build one next house and one foot man.
So he's building houses, so he's also contributing to the society as most as he's contributing to his YouTube channel as well.
Because you know what I mean, they never fully focus on what they not do, they not focus on building house with other people, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So that kind of drop back the game when you have to plan about something, you have to plan how to build places and all these things. But not there, we still do there. So you can just pick up any time and go again.
Yeah, for week. I want to have life, you know.
Yeah.
Can't give up.
So he's contributing, he's also helping out those who are less fortunate. You hear it from none other than Grizzle Boss and the crew.
You can't know, say him no, not a good rider, because he making us some difficult moments.
This is known as a chocolate. You have the red ones, you have the yellow ones. The yellow ones, it has the white fibrous seeds on the inside, but they're the fibers on the outside of the seed. This would be used to make store-bought chocolates. Even the road has changed, because you went from 2 lanes, now we're on 1 track, and this 1 track is going to take us all the way back to the top of Springbank.
This road is nice and easy and welcome. All this free, not much money for this in the town.
Nice and easy. The smell, very radiant. The texture, the sound. Fruits is a way to go. Guys, we have been walking for close to 45 minutes with no end in sight. Look at this steep embankment. One fall over this, you can say goodbye. Where you guys see that pole in the distance, that's where we're going.
Whoa. See the mangoes? Yes, brother. I reach man, that's it to me. Twin. I'll go through.
The mountains, it's a sight to be seen. How are you doing? Yeah, it's a sight to be seen, but the various terrains across the island is what you more look forward to each and every time when you are in this land called Jamaica. From meeting up with Grizzle Boss to hiking through the hills, we were drained, exhausted, and tired. So to complete the rest of the afternoon, we went to a river in Windsor. The experience was excellent. The river water was just so fresh and nice. We're nearing the river. You can start to hear the sound of children's. Both sides you have banana plantations. You have a lot of bananas on the right.
Only for tourism, but for those
on the left.
who are traveling that need.
These bananas are normally sent internationally.
Yeah.
From this side, pushes you in.
Along this waterway, they use it to get water to feed cattle. They use it for livestock, they use it for their vegetation, they use it for their plant, their crop, anything that they need. They come here and also uses it for produce. They supply to foreign investors, to local farmers as well. Would use this waterway to like wash clothes. They use it to bathe. They utilize it in such a way where it's useful to every resident in and around in this community. Oh, guys, I am so tired. They make sure that they work to the best of their abilities to supply the crop that they're growing. From the farm to your plate, you know where your banana is coming from. This is the direct source of your banana that reaches on your table. Well guys, from that little climb that we did today to coming to the river, relaxing, taking a swim, and just everything in and around this little environment I'm very elated by what I see. Today was just a different day, so the adventure is very different, but the sun is going down and I'm trying to get something to eat. With that being said, guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell.